If you have argued with race realist, you have most likely encountered an argument that they make in response to the fact that differences in humans and frequencies of these differences are gradual, which is true, and do not abruptly change between different so-called races. It goes like this: the color spectrum is also gradual, with the colors shading into one another, but that does not mean that different colors like blue and red do not exist. This, however, is a bad analogy, and I am going to explain why. The color spectrum analogy implies that race is the only difference is humans and that it objectively exists. Comparing human diversity to the color spectrum is an insult to human diversity. In the color spectrum, there is only one variable, and that is color. In humans, there is no sole variable. There are far more variables. There is no single variable race chromosome. There is variation in, for example, the Y chromosome, mitochondrial DNA and blood types, among many others. Furthermore, there is variation in frequency of these variables. Humans are basically far more complex than just a color spectrum. You could say that humans are a collection of points in several spectrums. It is not like the individual is variable. It is more like the characteristics of an individual are variable. An individual can be similar to another individual in one characteristic, and similar to another individual in another characteristic. Genetically speaking, we are all mixed. It is not the humans that are part of a spectrum, it is their characteristics.